welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable comment filters and pin the best comment on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So pinning the top comment or the best comment on TikTok is not possible now because due to the latest updates you cannot follow or have this feature entertained in your TikTok. But if you want to enable comment filters, then you can simply tap open your TikTok app, tap open your profile and go to settings and privacy. So once you're in the settings and privacy, simply scroll down below, and once you scroll down, go to security and permissions. Once you're in securities and permissions, simply search for the comment section. But if you don't get it in like settings, security and permission, go for privacy. So in privacy you can find the section called interaction. Simply tap on the comments right over there, and then you can simply filter specific keywords. Like you can simply turn the toggle on and do it, or you can simply tap on review filter contents. So this is how you can simply enable comment filters and pin the best comment on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.